Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel, Lexquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one plan at a time. Y'all, let's hop right into this meal plan. Let's get it. Last week, I did not do good tracking. I'm just going to be honest. So this week, we're going to make up for it, and I was trying to figure out what I was going to do. I couldn't think of what I was going to do, and then as I was thumbing through my sticker books, I saw this wellness warrior and thought, I ain't had her out in a minute, so let me go ahead and bring her out to see with the rest of the class. You know, she can get a little usage. So I'm going ahead and pulling some stickers from her, and I'm kind of doing this spread, like not really pre-planning, but just pulling some stickers and putting it down for the most part. It's because this is my meal planner. I'm not super strict on how this looks because I am still kind of twerking it and figuring out what is best for me. So I put those 3 trackers in the corner, and I'm going to use those for my fasting. Did I fast for 16 hours? Did I drink soda? Because last week was the first week, y'all. I was so proud of myself. Last week, I made it through the whole week of not drinking pop at work, you guys. And for me, that is good. Like, great. And I didn't even really spend any money at the vending machine, which is also a score for me. That is some habits that I'm trying to break. And it takes 21 days to form a habit, so I just have to do something for 21 days consecutively, and I should be A-okay. So I'm kind of thumbing through because I was trying to figure out what I was going to put with my sidebar. And then this little box jumped out to me, and I was like, I may be able to do something with that there. Yeah, I'm going to do something with that there. And I was kind of trying to figure out, like, how can I make this work? Because really, to me, my opinion, in this sticker book, there's really 2 separate themes that you could go with, sometimes 3, that you could go with to make a spread. But I decided it doesn't have to be a perfect setup. I just need to get some stickers on the page. So I went ahead and put that dark blue box down there, and I forgot what it was supposed to track, what it said. But I ended up putting this banner across that says, "Be proud of yourself." And then that also covers up the ingredients to prep section. So I went ahead and put that down. And I'm trying to find something to put on my sidebar. And I knew I had decor stickers in here. I just had to find something that, spoke to me. Oh, and I forgot. The 3rd tracker, I'm tracking being under 2,000 calories. So that's something that I'm really trying to work on. Because last week I did go over my calories a couple days out of the week. And it wasn't for eating junk. I was just overeating. And I don't even know. I think I was, I say I don't even know why, but I know why. I was slightly stressed, and I was trying to act like I wasn't stressed. And for me, food is tied to emotion. So I'm trying to focus on the fact that food is fuel and not a comforting mechanism. So that's something I am working on. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will healthy habits. So that's kind of what I'm working with. So then I took this banner, and this banner is more in like the blue colorway. And this one says, "Take some time for you." So I went ahead and put that down. But then I realized, okay, that didn't cover up the ingredients to prep completely because this box is a little larger. So I was like, well, while I'm flipping through this book, I'll try to think of something that I can put there to kind of make it, look better. But then I saw these little washi strips, and I was like, ooh, I can use these to add a little bit more decor throughout my spread. Because this layout is so functional that you have to be strategic and wise about how you add decor. And I didn't really want to add any boxes. I just kind of was just doing this freestyle. So I just used that washi strip, and then I ripped that little extra off and put that down in a stepper box. And I'm putting this other washi strip across the right-hand side of the page. And like I said, everything has to be symmetrical. I like for my spreads to look very symmetrical. So I switched out that piece that ripped for that blue strip, and then I used the other little blue strip and kind of made that look like that was one piece of washi, even though it was two. No sticker goes unloved here, you guys. I try to use all my stickers, all of them. If I pull it, I try to use it. So now, once again, I'm flipping through, just seeing what can I use to cover up that ingredients to prep. And then I saw these little flag stickers, and I was like, I can kind of make these work. So I put that one under there, and then realized, okay, wait, I got to cover the ingredients to prep. So I have to put this one up here, but then it said relax, so I didn't want to put it too far in where it covered up where it said relax. So I just tipped it in a little bit, and then the other one says now. So I just have both of those going. And so far, so good. So far, so good. I'm kind of liking how that's laying out. And now let's go ahead and put our headers. And this time I'm just going to slide these across the top. And I'm just going to write it in. I think I go in between writing it in, not changing the headers. And I be going in between a lot of stuff, y'all. So this is what I'm putting down. And I ended up only meal planning one meal last week, so that was interesting. I was shocked that it pretty much lasted us most of the week. And then I ended up cooking some soul food on Thursday. Was it Thursday? Yeah, on Thursday, because it was so cold outside. Like, I just needed something of substance. So I made some macaroni and cheese and some sweet potatoes with some air fried, naked air fried chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And then I just smothered those in barbecue sauce once I finished. And that was good. And then I felt like it needed something down here. So I put fave meal of the week, because I'm going to be trying out a couple new recipes this week. And then on this side, I decided to put check-in. So, Sydney, how we doing? I'm trying to create a midweek check-in as a habit for me with my planners. So I thought that would be great to put right there. But thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell me how you use your meal planner, if you have one. If you don't have one, tell me how you meal plan in general. Thank you guys for watching. Bye now.